Hello everyone, it is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing, and I am here to present You and Me Together Forever. The song is You and Me, the artist is Glenn Jones, and the choreography is CARLA PURNELL. If you are someone you know is interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. And guys, let's mess it up. Soul line dancing and myself, we are so excited about the NOLA Southern Experience 4-day line dance weekend, July the 11th through the 14th, 2024. We are personally inviting you to the event here in New Orleans. Visit our website for detailed information about the hotel and registration. Registration opens June 1st, 2023. Please visit our website at www.LMIUNOLA.com and I'll see you there. If you're interested in the step-by-step instructions for this dance, I'll post it at the end. Also, make sure you check out the choreographer. Let's go. what? Make sure y'all check out the NOLA Southern Experience. Visit our website. We are looking forward to seeing you. www.LMIUNOLA.com. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.